Yeah, so the biggest issue is that it's like the whole world is in agreement. And when the whole world is in agreement with something and you're growing up in a world that's in agreement with something, the imperative and the imposition upon you to agree with it is immense. You've got the souls, which are the most powerful thing God's ever created, all in agreement on an issue with regard to emotion. All of the souls on earth are almost in agreement on the same thing. And I'm saying to you, you've got to start disagreeing with them all. It's going to be tough, right? It is going to be tough. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, because when you're the first person doing something and you're in complete disagreement and disharmony with the rest of the world about it, do you think it's going to be like a walk in the park, a breeze? It's definitely not, right? But it's what you need to do if you want to ever have a real relationship with yourself, with the other half of yourself, with anybody you ever meet, and with God, is to become a real person who has feelings. Now, years ago when I started this process, I was 33, around about 32, 33, and I was numb to the hilt. Like, I couldn't. I was stoic, very rarely feeling, always just acting, always using my intellect. I was constantly, every night I would make a list of what I've got to do the next day and do that. There was no room for feelings. No room for feelings. And it's taken me now, from that time, I'm 20, what is it?
How old were you?
I'm 61, so...
21. You're 21.
27, I'm 21. 27 years to become the person who can feel as much as I do now, right? Which not only means that I can feel my own feelings now, I can feel yours too. Every thought you have, I can hear them. I couldn't do that years ago. I can feel every single feeling you have towards me, every single feeling you have towards each other, every single feeling you actually carry with you that's out of harmony with love, as well as all the ones that are in harmony with love. And I can feel that for myself and others. But 27 years ago, like I said, I was numb. That's the benefit of following God's way. But I've had to learn to have some courage about going against everybody about it. My family was so opposed to me feeling anything. My mother in particular was very opposed. They called it me having a breakdown.
They still call it you having a breakdown.
To this day.
Yeah. When you had your breakdown.
When you had your breakdown.
Oh, yes.
I said, what breakdown was that? I had a breakthrough, into this. And they said, but you were crying a lot. I said, yeah.